Dear friends, today we are going to see about gametogenesis. Gametogenesis is the process of gamete formation in the gonads, that is testis and ovary, in sexually reproducing animals. The two processes of gametogenesis are: first one is spermatogenesis, that is the formation of haploid spermatozoa or sperms from diploid spermatogonia in males. Second is the oogenesis, that is the formation of haploid ovum from the diploid germ cells in the ovary in females. Let us see spermatogenesis in details. Spermatogenesis is the process of formation of sperms from diploid spermatogonia. It includes 4 phases: multiplication phase or formation of spermatids, second growth phase, third maturation phase, and fourth differentiation phase. In multiplication phase, the male germ cells or spermatogonia present inside the seminiferous tubules multiply by mitotic division and increase in numbers. In growth phase, spermatogonia grow and increase in size and form primary spermatocytes. Each spermatogonium is diploid and contains 46 chromosomes. Third is the maturation phase or formation of spermatids. Primary spermatocytes periodically undergoes meiosis. A primary spermatocyte completes the first meiotic division, that is a reduction division, leading to the formation of 2 equal haploid cells called secondary spermatocytes. They have only 23 chromosomes each. The secondary spermatocytes undergo the second meiotic division to produce 4 equal haploid spermatids. Last phase is the differentiation phase. The spermatids are transformed into spermatozoa or sperms by the process of spermiogenesis. Spermiogenesis After spermiogenesis, the sperm's head gets attached to Sertoli cells to draw nourishment, and they are finally released from the seminiferous tubules by the process of spermiation. Now we will study about the structure of a sperm. It consists of 4 parts: head, neck, middle piece and tail. First one is the head. It is the enlarged end of a sperm containing the large haploid nucleus, that is condensed chromatin body, and is capped by acrosome. The acrosome contains hydrolytic enzymes that help in dissolving membranes of the ovum for fertilization. Next is the neck. It contains proximal centriole, which is necessary for the first cleavage division of zygote, and the distal centriole that is connected to the tail filament. Third is the middle piece. It contains a number of mitochondria that provides energy for the movement. It is essential for fertilization. Fourth is the tail. It consists of axial filaments surrounded by the plasma membrane. It helps the sperms to swim in a fluid medium. A human male ejaculates about 200 to 300 million sperms during a coitus. Seminal plasma along with the sperms constitute the semen. For normal fertility, at least 60% of sperms must have normal shape and size, and at least 40% of them must show vigorous motility. Next is the oogenesis. Oogenesis is the process of formation of a mature female gamete. It occurs in the ovaries. It consists of the following three phases. First one is the multiplication phase. Second is the growth phase. Third is the maturation phase. Now we will see the multiplication phase. Oogenesis is initiated during the embryonic developmental stage, when a couple of million gamete mother cells, that is oogonia, are formed within each fetal ovary. No more oogonia are formed and added after birth. These cells start division and enter into prophase 1 of meiotic division. They get temporarily arrested at this stage and are called primary oocytes. Second is the growth phase. Each primary oocyte then gets surrounded by a layer of granulosa cells. This structure is called the primary follicle. The large number of these follicles degenerate during the phase from birth to puberty. The primary follicles get surrounded by more layers of granulosa cells and a new theca to form secondary follicles. Third is the maturation phase. In the first maturation phase, the secondary follicle soon transforms into a tertiary follicle. The primary oocyte within the tertiary follicle grows in size and completes its first meiotic division to form a large haploid secondary oocyte and a tiny first polar body. The tertiary follicle changes into a mature follicle, that is the Graafian follicle, which ruptures to release the secondary oocyte or ovum from the ovary by a process called ovulation. The second maturation phase occurs after fertilization when the meiotic division of the secondary oocyte is complete. This second meiotic division results in the formation of a second polar body and a haploid oocyte.